I really do not know how to put into words exactly what you mean to me, but you have shown me many times the great love you have for me. I do not think that anyone else could love me a message as you do after all the difficult times we have made it through. I know that it does not matter to you what happens. You will stand by me and always be there through the good and the bad. I know that you will always be there to help us work through whatever happiness. I never exaggerated the kind of love that we are shared to strength. I never thought expressing the kind of love that we share together. I never thought I could find someone who could put up with so much and still remain faithful. I believe that God must have sent you down from heaven to be my garden angel. I am so grateful that there is nothing in this world that I would to for you now. I will love you and only you as long as you will let me. I can do nothing but apologizing for my behaviors. These feelings of love are so new to my. I have never felt for anyone that I feel for you. I have pushed you away and spoiled my opportunity. If in effect a chance every excited, maybe one day our paths will cross again. If this wash is guaranteed and will be different, I will treat you how you deserve, and I vow I will never cast you when any arm united. Then I shall say for the punishment I have delayed myself when you came into my life. I left all my past behind. My I just love this newly found I love that is making me feel like a baby again. My sugar, I adore you so much. The day I found out you were leaving me was the worst day of my life. I felt lost, alone, and hopeless. Now having been separated from you thus past weeks, I have felt more sadness and pain that I could ever imagine. How blame myself completed and can see how we driven you away. I completely understand your reason for leaving. I am sorry taken so long. Realize how many ways we hurt you and taken you are for granted. I see that I let me work become more important to me than our marriage, but assure you that I am I am already getting properties in order without you in my life. My work has little meaning anyway. I hope you give me a chance to prove this to you. For example, I no longer remain at work past 6 p.m. I leave punctually at 5 and imagine I am going straight home to you. If you will come back to me, I promise to be home for dinner. I want to us to spend more time together and will be better attention when you want to talk. Would you agree to see my again? We had a lot of good memories at Mary's restaurant without seeming Prosim- Proximities, but with the hope that you would say, yes, I made tentative reservations for this Saturday night at 5 o'clock. I do not want to make you feel uncomfortable. I just wondered if we could have an enjoyable evening in that beautiful setting. Well, I try to wear please. My heartfelt apologizing and discuss me plans for convincing. I need you and love you. Please come. I wish I could turn back the clock. I wish I could turn back a lot of things 16 days ago when you walked out the door. I felt that times is total. Was it possibility? Why had see it coming since that then I find myself gazing at the door, the faint hope that you will be walking through it in silence, storming for echoes of our resorting from the wells, but silence is deafening, and I know why you said you left. Please my channel for subscribe. End of the poem. Please everyone for my channel for subscribe. End of the poem. Okay.